Let's make a pirate hat. I haven't made one of these hats since I was a kid, and I couldn't believe how easy they actually are. You'll need a stapler or some sticky tape and 2 pages of a newspaper. Make a fold to find the middle. Bring one of the corners down to the centre and press hard along that line to make a fold. Do the same with the other side and make it into a triangle. At the bottom, you will have 4 pieces of paper. Bring 2 up and fold it just at the base of the triangle of the hat. Once that's folded, flip it upwards and press down hard. Turn the hat over and do the same with the other side. Once you've made your folds, using sticky tape or a stapler, attach the ends. You can then paint your hat or decorate it any way you like. This size is perfect for children. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for many more craft ideas.